In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Soundboard on Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Discord on, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or a PC or anything like that. So all you want to do is just go over to your Discord, and you can do this in any call that you're in. Now, all you want to do is, let's just say I join a voice channel. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of different options on the bottom over here. I also see Open Soundboard. So once I go ahead and press that, I can add a sound because I'm the owner of this server, or I can use like one of these Discord sounds. If I had Nitro, I could use sounds that are from other Discord servers as well. But the Discord sounds by default are these 6 right here. So you got Quack, you got air horn, you got cricket, and all of these different ones basically. So you can basically just use whichever ones you want, and you can even spam all of them at the same time if you want to. And then yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.